Do you ever ponder over the security of your digital life? This thought leads us to the vast universe of cybersecurity. In this interconnected world, our lives are increasingly wired, and with this shift, cybercrime has risen at an alarming rate. Let's grasp the magnitude. Every 39 seconds, a cyber attack is launched somewhere around the globe, a stark reminder of the relentless nature of these digital predators. The financial impact? It's astronomical. Predictions show that by the year 2021, the annual cost of cybercrime could reach a staggering $6 trillion. But it's not just the giants of industry that are in the crosshairs. Cybercrime affects individuals too. Personal data breaches, identity theft, online fraud, the list goes on. These digital misdemeanors, once considered the stuff of science fiction, are now a harsh reality. It is clear that the digital world we navigate daily is fraught with potential threats. But what exactly does cybercrime entail? Cybercrime, in essence, is any criminal activity that involves a computer, a network, or a network device. It's a broad term that encompasses a variety of illicit activities, such as hacking, phishing, and ransomware attacks. Let's break it down. Hacking involves unauthorized access to a system or data. Phishing is a scam where fraudsters trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, often through deceptive emails. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts a victim's files and demands a ransom to restore access. The scope and scale of cybercrime is staggering. It's estimated that over 60% of businesses worldwide have fallen victim to a cyber attack. And this isn't a problem confined to any one region or industry. Cybercrime is a truly global issue, affecting organizations and individuals across the world. Cybercrime is a pervasive and global issue that affects us all, whether directly or indirectly. So what can be done to combat this digital menace? Cybersecurity steps into the ring here, serving as our shield against cybercrime. Its importance cannot be overstated in our increasingly digital world. The first line of defense? Proactive measures. Something as simple as creating strong, hard-to-guess passwords can make a world of difference. But it doesn't stop there. Virtual private networks, or VPNs, can provide an extra layer of protection, keeping your online activity private and secure. Regular software updates, too, are vital. They patch up any vulnerabilities that may have been discovered, shutting the door on potential intruders. Understanding the risks is equally important. Knowledge is power, after all. The more you know about potential cyber threats, the better prepared you'll be to protect against them. In the grand scheme of things, these steps towards cybersecurity can help safeguard our personal information, financial data, and overall online safety. In this digital age, cybersecurity is not an option, but a necessity.